What's going on, guys? Your everyday math tutor here, and here we have a markup problem. Let's read the problem and figure out why this would be a markup problem. So Allison has $24 to buy a gift for her cousin. She found a gift for $22 with a 5% sales tax added on. Will Allison have enough money to buy the gift? So the reason this is a markup question is because it's telling us that there's a 5% sales tax that is added on to the $22 that the gift costs. So let's go ahead and write down the markup equation. So we have markup is equal to percent times the original amount. But what is the original amount? What is the percent? And what is the markup? So the markup we don't know yet because we don't know what the final price of the gift will be after purchasing it with a 5% tax added on. So we're going to go ahead and just write down markup after that. Just write down your equal sign. Now the percent. Does it give us a percent? Yes, the problem actually does give us a percent. So we're going to go ahead and underline that. Now, if you don't know how to write 5% as a decimal, you're just going to write the 5 and divide it by 100, and you should get 0.05. So we're going to write 0.05 where the percent will normally go, and we're going to multiply that by the original amount. Now, what is the original amount? Is the original amount the $24 that she has, or is the original amount the amount of what the gift cost? Well, it's what the gift actually costs originally, which is $22 without the tax. So we're going to write 22 right there, and we're going to get our calculator. I haven't actually done the problem yet, but we grab our calculator and we're going to multiply 0.05 times 22, and that will give us a markup of $1.10. We're going to write the money sign at the end, or the money symbol at the end, or dollar symbol. But that's the markup. The markup is not actually the final price. This is not the final price. This is actually what's going to be added to the original amount. So we're going to say original amount plus the markup will give us the final price. So the original amount of the gift is $22 plus markup, which we just found to be $1.10, is equal to $23.10. This is how much it will cost for Allison to buy the gift with a 5% sales tax added on. So with $24 that she has, she actually will have enough money to buy the gift. So what we did first, and what I have my students write all the time, is write down the markup or markdown. This markup here may be a markdown, but in this case it was a markup. We're going to equal it to a percent times the original amount. I asked my students then, is there a 5 or is there a percent given in the problem? Yes. So immediately write down the percent in decimal form. Is there an original amount? Yes, there is. It's $22. We're going to underline that, of course, in the actual problem. We underline it so that so that the students or whoever's watching this video, so you guys could just pick out those pieces of information and then plug it into the markup equation. Just easier to see. And then we will just multiply the two, the percent and the original amount, to get the markup. Again, very important that you guys know, or the students know, that the markup is not the final price. The final price would be the original amount of the gift plus the markup, which was the 5% sales tax that is added on. We add that up and we get $23.10. That is the final price.